friends, Kalpana Kalpade here. As Diwali is just around the corner, I'll be teaching you how to prepare portable rangoli. You can see this. Okay. Uh, this is good for to keep the children occupied during their Diwali vacations and for the working ladies also, working women. Yeah. So I'll tell you now the material required for all this prepare this rangoli. Now this rangoli you can see it is done by me 10 years back. Okay, and it is washable. I just wash and keep it near your entrance, and your rangoli is there. Fine. And I'll tell you the material required for this. Okay, the material required for this rangoli, I have taken a hard cardboard. This is 12 inches by 12 inches square. Okay, you get it in the stationery shop. Then you will require a ruler, a pencil, an eraser, paint brush, and these are the acrylic colors I have taken. It's as per your choice. I have taken some nice sparkling colors: blue, red, green. This is for the background. I'll be showing this that mud color I've taken, and a white color for outline. Okay, during Diwali, we all draw rangoli. Rangoli is colored powder in front of our entrance. And but in Pathai Prabhus, we start drawing rangoli 8 days before Diwali starts. And then on each day, we have a typical design with a name to it, you know. I mean, it's so organized we are. So today I will show you all the rangoli designs for each day, and yes, on this you can have 5 boards like this, and you can draw on both the sides reverse, and then keep it as per the day, tenlya, asliya, and all that. Now today I have shown one of the design here. I have just done this drawing, and now I'll start painting. Okay, now this is 12 inches by 12 inches square. So I have taken half inch squares. I have done the drawing grid here. You can see this half inch by half inch squares I have drawn. Okay, and then the design of your choice. Now here I have done. This is one of the Pathai Prabhu typical design that is called Pach Devda. This is on the fifth day of Diva. Fifth day we draw this design. I'll be showing you all the detailed other rangolis later on. So you draw the any design of your choice, and then this is for the background, this the mud color, so it gives an authentic rangoli feel. Okay, I have first taken the white color, and I will fill all this drawing with it. I hope you can see. Okay, you can see with the white color, this was the white color tube I had. I completely used it, and this is the design with white. Now this is the mud color I showed you. I got this. I'll be just filling all this here now. This white color that I have used for the outline, it dries immediately, but still you have to wait and just make sure before applying this color. Huh? Okay, I'm just trying to show you that this color that I used, I have to use a brush for that, and so the brush I'm painting this background, while this blue color I have to use it directly. You can see directly you use on this. The colors do look a little gaudy, I must say, but this is rangoli, remember, is going to stay on the floor. So from far this will look good. From close it may look a little gaudy. Okay friends, you have seen now how simple it was to do that rangoli, a portable one and a reusable rangoli. So now, as I promised you, I'll be showing you our Pathya Prabhu rangolis that we draw during Diwali and before Diwali. As I said, we start 8 days before Diwali, we say Atvinda, and I will tell you I have just done sketches of those rangolis for you to refer to anytime you want. Okay, I'll just show you one at a time. On the first day, these are asne, and this is the design the first day. Second day is bonlya. On the third day, we do tendlya. On the fourth day, it is khamlya. Now, the same design on the fifth day is done, and five we do this. It's called Path Devulya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is the drawing I had taken to prepare on the board. On the sixth day, we do Nangre. Seventh day, it is Pokhran. Eighth day, that is the Pahili Angur. We do Ravali. Ninth day, it is Lakshmi Pujan day. We do Dhandive. On the 10th day, that is we do this swastik. I love this design, very nice. Then that's our New Year day, United. Then on Bhaubiz day, 11th day, we do this Bhaubiz Aarti. And on the Tulsi Lagna, we do this. This is freehand I've done. Now I've just shown you the basic design. Okay. Now you have to color it and you can draw it as you like. This is the base we do follow, and then we keep changing the. We just put one small design of this and any other freehand drawing rangoli we do. Okay, this is just for our record Pathya Prabhu's what we do. 8 days before Diwali we start, and during Diwali we my mother-in-law Mohantara Swarup Talpade, she was very fond of doing rangolis, and she's got diaries full of rangolis. Every time she would come out with some new rangoli. Okay, so our rangolis these are very authentic rangolis I've shown you. The color and the design is absolutely your creation. I hope you try this. The portable rangoli I showed you, that is for our modern women. Yeah, and for the kids, we'll keep them occupied during the vacation. You can do all 12 rangolis I've shown you here, or just do one and display it. Okay, and yes, this is an opportunity for me to wish all of you a very very happy Diwali, a happy and prosperous Diwali, and a healthy and safe Diwali. Okay, bye friends.